So we are still continuing on Chapter 7. So we have two levels of operations scheduling. So first one is going to be master schedule, which is the large-scale plan for upcoming production. Detailed schedule is a show day-to-day activities that will occur in a production. So we have two popular charts used in project scheduling. The Gantt chart is a production schedule that breaks down large projects into steps to be performed and specifies the time required to perform each step. The PERT chart, or the Program Evaluation Review Technique chart, is a production schedule specifying the sequence of activities, time requirements, and critical path for performing the steps in a project. So this is an example of a Gantt chart. A project is divided into monthly and daily activities. This is an example of a PERT chart. It gives a visual aid so that a project can be more efficiently and effectively completed. Operations control is a process of monitoring production performance by comparing results with plans and taking corrective action when needed. Follow-up is an operations control activity for ensuring that production decisions are being implemented. Materials management is the process by which managers plan, organize, and control the flow of materials from sources of supply through distribution of finished goods in a production line. Lean production system is a production system designed for smooth production flows that avoid inefficiencies, eliminate unnecessary inventories, and continuously improve production processes. The just-in-time, or the JIT production in Toyota's case, it is a type of lean production system that brings together all materials at the precise time they are required at each production stage so that the company does not need to keep high levels of inventories. This was possible for Toyota because most parts suppliers were near Toyota factories. In sum, materials management activities include supplier selection, purchasing, transportation, warehousing, and inventory control. Quality control is taking action to ensure that operations produce products that meet specific quality standards. It requires establishment of specific standards and measurements. Total quality management is all activities involved in getting high-quality goods and services into the marketplace. Quality ownership is the principle of total quality management that quality belongs to each person who creates it while performing a job. Tools for total quality management include Quality Improvement Team, which is a TQM tool which collaborative groups of employees from various work areas work together to improve quality by solving common shared production problems. ISO 9000 is a program certifying that a factory, laboratory, or office has met the quality management standards set by the International Organization for Standardization. The ISO 14000 is a certification program attesting to the fact that a factory, laboratory, or office has improved its environmental performance. Business process re-engineering is rethinking and radical redesign of a business process to improve performance, quality, and productivity. Adding value through supply chains. The supply chain is a flow of information, materials, and services that start with raw materials suppliers and continues adding value through other stages in the network of firms until the product reaches the end consumer.